Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to be doing today in this video is basically just swapping out the coil packs on the Durango RT. So we're going to get rid of these OEM ones, and yes, I have removed one already. And we're going to replace it with this. This is an aftermarket coil pack, and it's literally just red. It's not like an MSD one, which are pretty expensive compared to this, like double the price. So we're going to be swapping out the OEM one with the aftermarket one, and we'll see how that goes. So as you can see here, I got a whole set, and the only reason I'm doing this is because it's red, and I wanted to match the engine bay theme. You know, I got the red strut tower brace. Well, I got the red brackets at the end. I got an oil catch can here. This is gold, and I got a little theme going on. So what you'll need is a 10 mil socket or a wrench. Hopefully you have a socket, because otherwise it's going to take you a long time to swap these out with a wrench. So let's go ahead and get started. So I got this back one in here. This one was a pain in the ass to get to. So your best bet is to use a 1/4 inch ratchet with a 10 mil socket. That way you can get underneath the fuel line here and get to this back one. This lower one here is a lot easier to get to because there's a lot more space, but that took the longest time to do. So I've loosened this one up, disconnected that. And to disconnect this, all you have to do is on the very top here, you take it and you push down, and you're able to pull this guy out. Here we go. And then we'll take the new one here, and we'll put this in. And they also come with almond grease and stuff in there. Not the grease, but you know, the stuff for the spark plugs, the dielectric grease or whatever it's called. I forgot offhand. Just gonna push that in. Make sure the holes line up good. Start to screw these guys in. And then we're gonna take our ratchet plug that back in. All right, so that's good. Make sure that's not going anywhere. Now I'm gonna do these two, and then after that we're gonna do the other bank, and then I'll take care of these real quick, and then I'll meet you guys on the other side. So I went a little ahead of you guys and installed the rest of these on the other bank here. Pretty easy to do on this side. You do have a wire loom that's right here that it's right in the way of the bolt, but you'll be able to get to it so much better and easier than that side. I mean, it looks pretty good right off the bat. So as you notice, I'm using a ratchet, cordless ratchet. I'm doing this to loosen them up and also tightening them down just to get threaded. I use this to finish tightening them up. Now you don't need to crank it down. You just need to make sure it's tight. And overall, pretty easy install. It's just taking me a little bit longer because I'm recording it. So I put one in first, and then I turned the car on, make sure I wasn't throwing any check engine lights or anything like that, make sure there was no misfires. And then I did 4 of them, turned the car on, make sure there was no check engine lights, no harsh vibrations or whatnot, no misfires. And then once that side was good, I went ahead and did this side, and I don't see any problems with this so far. These are about $100. I think I got these on sale too, a little bit. So they're about half the cost of the MSD ones, I think. I thought they were $198, but they might be a little bit more. But so I could just be talking out of my ass, as I don't remember what the MSD ones were. I just know that they were a lot more expensive than these. And like I said before, the only reason I'm replacing these is because they're red and it's going to go better. There's nothing wrong with the OEM ones. Like I said, I just wanted to get them because they are red. So if you guys haven't seen my video with the oil catch can install or the intake install, then I also did another video of wrapping it, which I think turned out pretty nice. And then I also have a video for the strut tower brace. I will link all 3 videos down below in the description. But I mean, here we go. I mean, that's pretty much the install here. Easy to do. This guy back here was a pain in the ass to get to because of that fuel rail. Tight space, but if you guys do end up getting these for your Durango, or you guys actually replacing any Coilpacks, you can use this as a guide. So make sure you hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment if you'd like, and also, as with everything you're swapping out on the car, make sure it actually works and you're not throwing any check engine lights. So I'd recommend to do one, make sure that's good, and then when you do half of them, start the car, make sure there's no excuse me, make sure there's no check engine lights and it's not idling rough and you're not getting a misfire. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this guy up and snug up these bolts here, connect the harness, and then start it up, and then we should be good. I don't really know how to test these performance wise. I mean, I'm not really expecting horsepower out of this. Like I said, this is just for color. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. At least it brought in some entertainment to you guys. But make sure you guys check out these videos, and there'll be more coming. So I appreciate you guys watching, and hope you guys have a great day.